Hi, and welcome back to Skrach. Today we're going to make a ribeye steak. For this, we're going to need a few steaks and about 1 to 2 teaspoons of Montreal Steak Seasoning per steak. These steaks are pretty thick, so I'm only going to make one. One of the first things that you'll notice is that these steaks are just a little bit fatty on one side. The marbling in the middle is okay, but to avoid being overwhelmed by fat, I like to trim off a little bit to make sure that the star of the dish is the meat and not the fat. After trimming off the fat, I'll go ahead and season the steak with about a teaspoon of Montreal Steak Seasoning per side. I'll put it over the top and then rub it in, and then I'll transfer this to a plate to take out to the grill. First, I'm going to preheat my grill to 550 degrees over high heat. The grill's finished preheating, so I'm going to go ahead and put on my steak. I'm aiming for a temperature of medium, so I'm going to cook this for 6 minutes on the first side, rotating halfway through, and 4 minutes on the second side, rotating halfway through. If you prefer medium rare, you may want to cut a minute or two off of the cooking time. It's been 3 minutes, so now I'm going to go ahead and rotate my steak 90 degrees. Then I'll set an additional 3-minute timer. The steak is now cooked for 6 minutes on the first side, so I'm going to go ahead and flip it over. You can see that the rotation of the steak caused these nice grill marks. Now I'm going to cook it for a total of 4 minutes, rotating it halfway through. The steak is cooked for a total of 4 minutes on the second side, so we're going to take it off the grill and transfer it to a plate, remembering to turn the grill off. Then we'll wrap the steak in foil and allow it to rest for 10 minutes. Resting allows the steak to both finish cooking as well as reabsorb some of the juices. The steak has been resting for 10 minutes, so we're going to remove the foil. And our steak is now ready to cut. And remember, if you like the content, please subscribe.